ni Gabby. Ito yung school ni Jarvis, pero sana dito rin kami ulit. Dito pa rin kami mag-stay sa Atlanta. So, libre ang school.
Who are excited to go to school?
Me.
You?
Me.
What's your name?
Danny. I mean Princess Allura.
Princess what?
Princess Allura.
Princess Allura, where did it came from?
From Voltron.
Okay.
And all of my friends are missing. Like Keith, Lance, even Cheryl, and Pidge. Yeah.
Oh, they're missing? Where are they?
And the prince. They're on their class house and they're trapped at jail. And the prince.
Yeah. JM, hi! Are you excited to go to school? Wow.
Me! I am going to school. I'm going to school.
So, ano masasabi mo sa mga nagaganap?
Yes, we're in.
Mag-vlog tayo habang nag-aantay. So, anong masasabi mo sa pag-aaral ng anak mo hanggang college na to?
Bawal silang magkakaklase, maiingay sila. Baka mapatawag tayo.
Yan na sila. Ihanda mo na.
The wind blew that.
Oh my god! Okay, so let's go. Let's go and find some other papers and then we'll draw, okay? So, tapos lagi ako may tapos na kami mag-enroll. Kagaling na namin sa Target. So, ngayon, pauwi muna kami. Then, iikot kami ulit sa lugar na to para mag-mail sa USPS. So, kami ngayon. Bumili lang ako sa saging. Come on! Ito yung program. May drive-thru yung Dunkin' Donuts dito. So, yun ang Taco Mac. Kagagaling lang namin sa Dunkin' and
I'm going to the end.
yeah. Come on, hold my hand. So, yun, tapos na kaming lumakad for this morning and this afternoon naman. Lakarin naman namin ang pag-mail sa USPS. Yan po yung pollen. That's the pollen. Kasi spring season. So, ito yung pie. Ito yung apartment namin. And we're going home. So, itabi na itong si Bugoy. Hi!
Hi.
Patawid na kami.